So Russell Sage College actually offers a visible body software for certain students that are going to be going into physical therapy, occupational therapy, nursing, pre-med or pre-physician assistant, and even some of our education students going into physical education. So students are going to be able to get access for free within our labs and also at home. In our labs, we actually attach it to a Clear Touch program, which is basically a television screen that is allowed for it to be able to be interactive because it's a touch screen that allows us to help with teaching the class by having it upright, or we can turn it into a tabletop. Now we can actually immerse the student to be able to quiz themselves by dissecting a virtual body. We can get to places that maybe a 2D image within a textbook really can't provide. We can show it in a different 3D way. And so that really enhances the students' learning because now they're like right inside of what some of the physiological and anatomical processes are.
I am a pre-medical biology student. I used visible bodies a lot when I was taking anatomy and physiology too. They have every system by itself, so you can look at the reproductive system, you can look at the endocrine system, you can look at the nervous system. I really like that because it breaks it down even further.
One of my favorite lessons is actually talking about the heart and the cardiovascular system. There is interactive video that the students can use that will not only show the anatomy of the heart, but it also shows the cardiac conduction system. We can slow it down so that the students can really see how the blood flows through the heart. We can add heart sounds and attach it to an EKG so that the students can actually see what the EKG is trying to show you. So that really helps with the interaction and understanding of how the heart works, which the students really enjoy.